took our vest pattern for the back, cut it out on some foam, and already covered the back side with our fabric. And with this process, I will show you on the front how we got to this stage. Stay tuned. Alright, I took our template, traced it out on, I had the spare camping mat. It's open cell, so it's not like our EVA floor mats, it's different. So I couldn't use my wood burner to burn this in, so I took my X-Acto knife, cut one side at an angle, and then the other side at an angle. It's called a valley cut, and then pulled the center out to get this groove to simulate a seam all the way around it. Some of them are pretty jagged because this is, like I said, open cell foam. It's not closed cell like EVA, but I had the spare mat, so I decided to use it. But what we're going to do is we're going to take our fabric. It's a spandex 4-way stretch fabric, and we're going to cover this. And to start off with, we're going to fill each groove with hot glue, and then we're going to take a pin, because it's very hot, and we're going to press it down in there to get the initial tack, and then I'm going to take my fingers like I did on the back side and push it down to get that indentation and that detail in. And we're going to do that with all of them, even the bottom. Stay tuned.